super easy snack craft that you can do yourself. What you're gonna need is a mini waffle maker, some spray pan, your favorite pizza cheese, your favorite pizza topping, some flaky, grand, tight pan muffins, some pizza sauce, a spoon, and a fork. Let's make a mess. Easy peasy. Take your first one, separate it down the middle, spread it out, make it a little flat, get your topping. Doesn't need a lot. Then you take it, you fold it over, and then you use a fork, and you smush, smush, around the outside, around the outside, around the outside. When your waffle bread is hot, be intruder beware. That's better than any Godfather's pizza I've had. I'm sure if you use a bigger locking waffle maker, you could put more filling in to make it even more cheesy. But this is just right for a little after school snack, or after summer camp snack, I should say. Until next time, make sure to stay safe and have fun!
Hey Rec N Reading, my name's Christian.
And my name is Carlos. We are staff here at Gellert Park, SYRP. Today we have a simple game, including ping pong balls and a cup.
Okay, so using our cup and our ping pong balls, we're gonna wanna put on the long end at least 2 cups taped to the side just so the balls can roll in. And standing on the other side, you're gonna want one person rolling the ball. And the goal is to try to roll 1 ping pong ball into one of these cups. Yeah!
Ready? No. Woo!
Okay, so for today's example, I scored 1 ball, Carlos has scored none, so therefore I have 1 point, he has 0 points, and I have won this example. But there are other ways you can spice up this game. You can have random dares inside multiple cups and see what you roll, and whatever you land in is what you have to do.
Another way you can spice this up is to add in a trivia. Let's say, for example, you give out a trivia question. If they get it correct, they get to roll the ball into a cup.
Well, Rec N Reading, that was our game for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you get to test it out at home with you and your friends, maybe some family.
Ahoy Rec N Readers, my name is Cherry, and today we'll be making toilet paper roll pirates. For your supplies today, you will need a white pen, a black pen, a colored strip of paper, some black paper, 2 small strips of white paper, small black paper for the hat, a toilet paper roll, and a glue stick. Your first step is to get the black paper and glue it on one end of the toilet paper roll. That will be the bottom. And then you're going to get your colored paper and glue it on top of the black paper. After that, you're going to get your 2 white strips of paper and glue it onto the remaining part of the black paper. Now you're going to use your white pen and draw skull and crossbones on the black pirate hat, and then glue it on top of the toilet paper roll. The last thing you're going to do is draw your pirate face. And that's how you make toilet paper roll pirates. Thanks for watching.
Ahoy Rec N Readers! Welcome to Ahoy Summer! Today we're going to be making chocolate chunky potato chip cookies inspired by the movie The Goonies. Let's make a mess. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 sticks or 1 cup of butter, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup light brown sugar packed, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup of chocolate chips, and 4 cups of crushed potato chips. I forgot to get chocolate chips. My bad. But I have all these mini chocolate bars. I'm gonna peel them, chop them up, and I'm gonna use that instead. So it's gonna be chunk. So hey, you guys! Step 1, cream the butter and the sugar together. After creaming the butter and the sugar, we're going to add the eggs and the vanilla extract. Next, refrigerate for about 20 minutes, and then when you're done, make balls. Roll it in more potato chips, throw it in the 375 degree oven, 10 to 18 minutes depending on your oven, and that's it. I think I made a mess. Alright, there we let them cool off, and here we go. Our chocolate chunk potato chip cookies. It's like kettle corn of cookies. It's sweet and salty. Oh, that's really good. Until next time, make sure to stay safe and have